Just be okay. You're gonna be okay, alright? You're gonna be okay. Oh, yeah, don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Oh,
Scary fuck.
yeah. God. The plastic is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Look at.
The one already?
Yeah. Oh, shit. So, where's the gas?
Outside.
Okay, the gas is off right now. Hmm? No, don't open the window. Don't open. Don't open anything. Just stay over here.
This video footage shows two men and their dog trapped as wildfires encircled their property in Los Angeles. The men and the dog in the video were reportedly able to safely evacuate the property.